Welcome everybody, welcome back to the channel. So you guys want to change your oil on your 2016 and up Honda Pilot? Let me show you guys how. Right here is going to be the oil plug that you're going to remove, and then right up here, as you can see, is going to be the oil filter. You're going to need a 17 millimeter, and up to you, you want to use an extension. It is a pretty tight fit from right here, so I'm not going to use an extension. So the oil filter is really stuck on there. Like, it is not budging out. So here's a little tip you could do. Always, I recommend taking it to a professional, but this is the Mexican way of getting this off when it's really stuck on there. You're gonna grab your wrench, you're gonna grab your flathead or any type of screwdriver, poke it on there. So it starts to get a little messy, but now that you're all done with the oil change, you guys didn't spill it like me, come to your local automotive store. I came to this O'Reilly's right over here. And it's always a good idea to ask the employees if the jug or the really big tank that they have in the store, if there's enough space to dump the oil later on once you're done with your oil change. I know sometimes they have it full and they reject you. Don't be one of those people that just puts the jugs outside. It makes it such a pain in the butt for the employees. It's not their job to be cleaning up after you guys. You guys are adults. Go to a different automotive store that has capacity in their jug. But I know they do, so I'm gonna go dump it right now. The final step is turning on the car, accessory mode, going to the home screen, let it load. You're gonna go to home screen, then you're gonna go to settings. Then from settings, you're gonna go to the accessory positions on so you can access a vehicle. You go to vehicle, then you go to maintenance, and then oil life 30% reset. What do you like to reset the maintenance? Reset that. There we go. And then now you're back at 100%.